All right, family, let's talk about it. Caregiver fatigue is real. As a hospice chaplain, I see it every single day, and I just had to get on here and talk a little bit to caregivers who are literally at your wits' end. You're feeling like you have no life now because you are taking care of someone else. Maybe it's your mom, your dad, a family member, even a friend. I've seen a lot of people who are like power of attorneys who now have this financial responsibility and legal responsibility and caregiver responsibility. And it's almost like you can't catch a break. You're taking them to the hospital, you're taking them to the doctor, you're running them to the grocery store. You're some of you have uprooted your lives and have moved in with individuals just to be a 24-hour caregiver, and you're literally crying for help. One of the things that I've learned and that I've seen as a hospice chaplain is that caregiver fatigue is real, that you can get burned out taking care of other people. The truth of the matter is that there are so many losses that occur the second that you become a caregiver. You lose time, you lose finances, you lose just friends and the ability to go out and to socialize. You lose autonomy because now your life is connected to the life and care of somebody else. So I know it's hard. I know that it's a struggle. And what I want to do today is I want to give you all 7 things that you can do if you feel as though you're experiencing caregiver fatigue that prayerfully will give you a little bit more fuel in order to get throughout your day and throughout these next couple of weeks and months. And some of you, let's just be honest, some of you have been caregivers for years and you are almost at your wits' end and you're just like, please help me. Well, here's a couple of tips that I want to give you, okay? Number one, refill before you run out. My grandma used to say, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take small, intentional breaks throughout the day. Even 5 minutes of quiet breathing, prayer, or a quick walk can help reset your energy. Number two, acknowledge the weight you're carrying. Caregiver fatigue is real. Naming it doesn't mean you're weak, it means you're human. Recognize your limits without guilt. Even superheroes rest between rescues. Number three, ask for help and accept it. You don't have to do it all. Whether it's family, friends, church members, or professional respite services, let others be part of your care circle. Accepting help is strength, not surrender. Number four, schedule rest like an appointment. Put me time on your calendar the same way you would a doctor's visit or a medication reminder. Treat your rest as non negotiable self maintenance. Number five, stay connected. Isolation deepens fatigue. Reach out to people who understand, support groups, a chaplain, a counselor, or a trusted friend. Sharing your story can lift emotional weight. Number six, feed your spirit. Listen to calming music, read scripture, meditate, or spend time in nature. Spiritual renewal helps you keep compassion alive when exhaustion creeps in. And then finally, celebrate small wins. Even getting through the day is an accomplishment. Acknowledge your effort, not just the outcome. Gratitude for small victories builds emotional resilience.